Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. And I'm very happy and grateful for the new subscribers that joined the family. And if you just stopped by, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. This video is in collaboration with Spring DIY Dupe, and this is hosted by Sue from the Discovering Art of Living. So if you haven't already visited to her channel, I'll leave the link of her channel in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. As a part of the challenge, I wanted to recreate one of the Kirkland's Birkwood or Birchwood candle holder, and this is something around like $18 to $19 in their website, and I wanted to recreate this with something that I can find around the house, or maybe something like I can upcycle the things I have around the house. So for that, I'm going to use one of the soup tin container, and I'm also going to use the masking tape and some brown paint, and I have some chalkboard black paint, and I would need some brush and the paint palette and things like that. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of my birch wood candle holder, and this is the recreation from Kirkland's website, and they have like I think $18 from their website, and I recreated it using tin can and some masking tape and a couple of paints. And as I showed the process, I just stuck the masking tape, and then I actually painted white paint, and on top of it I did like brown paint and black paint, and I did pencil it out a little bit around the candle holder just to give the natural look to it. And yeah, and I also stuffed a lot of shopping bags, and then on top of it I just had like a cardboard piece, and after that I just made a mixture of caulk, school glue, and a little bit of spackling paste, and I stuffed it just to give like a natural wood candle. So, and I also created a small hollow space so that I can put my tea light candle holder in there. And yeah, and your birch wood candle holder is ready. And then I added some of the pine cones on the around the candle holder to just give like a natural look to it. And I'm going to lit the candle and show you how it looks. Isn't that pretty? I just love it. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So just give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and click on the subscribe button. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.